Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth love read for you. Let's see, Leo, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what is your connection now? What action can we expect? And before I start the reading, a very, very happy birthday to all my Leo gang, all my lions and lionesses. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Happy birthday month. And let's start your reading now. And these are general collective readings, Leo. Will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you. Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo. Newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and action cards. For me, this is person A and this is person B. If this is your reading, you'll know immediately which side you resonate best with. All right, action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Wands in reverse, Leo. So there was some immature behavior which happened, I guess, in this connection. Somebody is feeling now they can't take any action. For person A side, I'm seeing somebody feels that there is getting a little difficult to take action, even though they know that person B probably makes them very happy. But it seems the other person has kind of walked away. They've walked away, and I think after a tower moment, or they've just allowed this connection to disintegrate, they're kind of almost like it's acknowledgement to say, hey, this is not working out, it's better that I walk away. So before I get into the rest of the cards, Leo, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. So Leo and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Leo and their person, they could say something to each other. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a few more from another deck, Leo. Leo and their person, Spirit. If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. One more. All right. Good to go, Leo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, it was just not the right time for us. You're all I ever need to complete me. Maybe somebody didn't take action when the time was right. I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. When you left me, I felt like it was because you did not think I was good enough. They keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? I daydream about being the father, bleak mother of your children. I'm so afraid that you've left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. Like I said, somebody left here, and the other person is feeling, they feel they either did not take action when the time was right, or now they feel they are unable to take action, very well knowing that this connection could have made all their wishes come true. So let's start, Leo, with an angel blessing card. Let's see if my angels could say something to you, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, and then we'll start clarifying. My angels, for my Leo gang, please, blessing, guidance, advice, child. I guess somebody has to restart, re-begin. If you want this connection to come together, have that childlike innocence and maybe start from scratch and take that leap off that cliff and try for a new beginning. You can't carry that. Maybe somebody has been hurt in the past, somebody didn't take action in the past, but this childlike happiness and innocence may get things going again. So let's put this card here and let's start your reading. I'm going to start, Leo, with the energies of person A. This could be you, could be the other side, I don't know. So, Spirit, the King of Wands in reverse. Why is the King of Wands in reverse? Why are they feeling like that right now? With the Nine of Cups upright. King of Wands. Maybe this person was being a bit selfish in the past. Yes, they don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. One second. One more, Spirit. Why is the King of Wands in reverse? Yes, this person actually does want to show up now as somebody who's secure and somebody who will now do the right thing. They want to get out of their head. They want to get de-stressed. But there is silence between the two of you at the moment, it seems, and that's why this person is unable to take any action. Maybe you guys are not talking to each other, and maybe person A feels that, person B has ended things with them. So Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Oh. Person A, I think, has had that epiphany after maybe a time of waiting that this person is the person who can make them very happy. Now they do want to take action because they know that, this is the right way to go. But till now, I think this person has been a bit closed off or selfish or self-centered, maybe only concerned with themselves, and that's what's led to this silence between the two of you. No, person A still has a lot of passion for person B, that's for sure. Okay, they've had that epiphany that, oh my God, this was a wasted chance. I was too selfish. I was too self-centered. I never took action when I should have. Created this rift between the two of us. Something has ended, but person A has now kind of woken up to the fact that, wow, I do have passion for person B and I do want to take action. This is the person who can make all my dreams come true or wishes or whatever. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Why did all this confusion happen? Ace of Swords in reverse. Either somebody lied. Okay, so they either lied or they were not clear about starting something new. Even though I think they felt it, they felt this soulmate connection with person B. They didn't make anything clear to person B. Maybe by not offering anything stable. They were more interested, I think, at that point with their work or their stability or money, or they were... Yes, this person was being a little greedy at that point, where it was all about them. What makes them happy, maybe their work, their business, their finance, more concerned with the material aspects of life than, a soulmate connection. So this person was a little bit... in the Nine of Cups energy, arms folded and saying, I'm happy and I'm doing well and I'm this and I'm that. They didn't really they didn't recognize maybe this soulmate connection and never offered anything new. Right, Spirit? Yeah, they were always dilly-dallying. They didn't have clarity on... or maybe they couldn't balance their life out, maybe. Let's give them a benefit of doubt, Leo. Maybe they were finding it difficult to balance their finances and love life. So they maybe put the soulmate on a backbencher and concentrated only on their material life. So now how does person A feel about person B? The Magician in reverse with the Eight of Wands in reverse. So now they're realizing that all this trickster behavior, whatever they maybe showed to person B, has led to this no communication between the two of you. You guys are not talking. I think person A is secretly also quite embarrassed and ashamed of the way they've behaved. they're recognizing the way they've kind of behaved with person B. They behaved like an illusionist, somebody who's a trickster, who's not honest, who's just kind of there to trick them, and that they know that's what's led to this no communication between the two of you. Eight of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Eight of Wands. Somewhere I think they are also afraid that by now, yes, they also are very afraid that person B has a lot of options. Maybe they now, if they do go forward to person B with an emotional offer, or try and flirt with them, or be open emotionally towards them, it can lead to a fight, or maybe there's competition around person B. They fear that person B has a lot of suitors, a lot of people coming towards them. There's a lot of competition that they'll have to deal with. Right, Spirit? One more. One more. How does person A feel about this connection? I think person A is also a little fearful that either they fear that person B will expect commitment and they're not ready for it, or vice versa. Whatever said and done, I think there's a bit of fear and shame which person A is going through, because they've realized why there is no communication, and they're also fearing that now it's too late. Now they fear that maybe person B has opened themselves up to new connections. So what action person A will take, I'll open later, Leo. Let's go to the other side and see really what's going on. Eight of Cups upright. So somebody walked away, Spirit. Here, why? Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups for person B. Why did they walk away? Oh God. Person B is telling me this person A was a player. They were very inconsistent. They didn't do the right thing. They were only here to, maybe have a good time. They were always splitting in and out of my life. And I didn't like that kind of behavior. So I left them and I moved on. This was not emotionally satisfying for me to just have a player around me. Somebody who's only in it for passion or sex or something. So, Tower in reverse. Tower in reverse, Spirit, for person B. Eight of Cups again. So, this person has really taken off. I mean, they're not waiting around to rebuild any tower. They're allowing things to fall apart. I think this person has made up their mind. Two cards together, Eight of Cups means this person has made up their mind to walk away and no longer kind of rebuild the structure, because they are convinced that person A was just a player. All right. So what happens, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Devil in reverse. What happens, Spirit? Oh, this connection I think became a little toxic, and person B, yes, person B didn't feel that this connection had any strength to it. They thought this was getting a bit toxic, and they didn't want to be in a connection which would give them sleepless nights. They didn't want to have to worry that I'm getting into something which is not going to be good for me. They kind of figured that this was yes, they felt drained. They were not, their cup was not getting refilled. I think person B was into emotional happiness. This is what they wanted, and that's why they left all these 8 empty cups, right? All these cups were empty. So person B kind of felt, nobody's refilling my cup with emotion, nobody's showing me love or affection, and I don't want to be in a toxic connection which is only based upon passion or sex or, in and out behavior. I think person B felt a little stuck. I think they may have waited for a while. Yes, they waited for a while. They did wait for a while, very patiently, till they realized that this is not working out. I'm feeling drained. I'm the only one giving to this connection. I'm not getting reciprocity. So I think person B decided to stop fighting for this connection. They got tired of waiting. So person B, how do you feel about this connection, or how do you feel about person A now? Person B is telling me that person A is very egoistic, very, very prideful, and they don't do the right thing. They don't bring any justice to my life. Six of Wands. Why does person B see person A as the Six of Wands? Too many cards. Why does person B see person A as the Six of Wands? Yeah, they feel this person is very prideful. Person A is very prideful, very egoistic. They never fought for the connection. They always kind of portrayed themselves as, there was something better out there. The grass was greener on the other side. I did have a card here, I think, which said, I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. So maybe the person B feels that person A was always on the search for something better for themselves and never really made them an offer which was emotional. There was no cup offered here. So, justice in reverse. Justice in reverse. Justice in reverse is clarified by the justice upright. So what person B is saying that this person never balanced this connection out, never brought justice to them. So they decided to take, the scale in their own hands, and they realize that this is not working out. This is not working out. I think person B has created, or they feel this connection has come to some kind of a stagnancy. What's this Magician card, Spirit? It fell out. I didn't see where it fell. What's this Magician card? What's this Magician card? Person B assumes, I'm not sure, that I think person B is kind of manifesting love for themselves. They want a cup of love to be offered to them. Person B is looking for this. Person B is manifesting pure love in their life, and I have a feeling person B is still kind of find it. They are cutting off people who they feel that are not offering it to them, and right now they feel person A is not a candidate. They're not doing the right thing. So I think person B has passed judgment that, hey, you're not doing the right thing. I'm going to continue my search because I'm trying to manifest pure love for myself, and I will keep looking till I find it. All right, so let's see. Person A, will you take any action now towards person B? Page of Cups in reverse. Why is that an action that person A will take, Spirit? Person A's action towards person B will be, I don't think anything, because they feel, what's the point of taking an apology? They kind of fear that this connection is already over. I think heart of hearts, they do wish for a rebirth of this connection, but because there is no communication right now between the two of you, there is no interaction, no give and take between the two of you, I think person A is feeling quite devastated. They are assuming and presuming that this connection is already over. That they're feeling very burdened. They're feeling very overwhelmed, very overburdened, and they fear that, there is no new beginning, no new chance for love here. Even though I think heart of hearts, they do wish for this to happen. But I don't think they're making any move. They've kind of acknowledged it because there's no communication right now. They are assuming and presuming it's over. So person B, will you take any action? Six of Cups in reverse. I'm sorry. Person B also feels the same way that, yes, this felt like a good friendship. This felt like a soulmate connection. But they're telling me, person A never really put in the investment. I was very dissatisfied. They never really worked hard to put in any effort or make this connection flourish. And now all I'm left is with bad memories. So person B, any action? One more. I think person B is kind of also become a little wary, a bit suspicious, a bit angry. They feel person A is very inconsistent, rash. So person B is telling me I have no choice but to make a choice. I can't be standing in limbo for the rest of my life. I have other choices, then I might as well go forward and choose something new for myself. So why did person A behave like the Knight of Wands, Spirit, which is the overall energy of our reading? Why did person A behave like this, Knight of Wands? Oh, they felt person B was too good to be true. They actually admired person B a lot. My God, I asked why did person A behave like the Knight of Wands and why did they behave in such an immature manner. I think that there was a little problem of confidence here. They looked at person B as the pre-empress and the empress. Single, abundant, beautiful, taking care of themselves, creating abundance wherever they went. And they felt maybe not good enough for at that point. Or maybe they thought, I know, let me work on my finances, or work on myself to be bigger and better, and maybe later I'll go and, because I do see they did admire person B. But I don't think this person felt they were an equal match. But the problem here is that because of this inconsistent behavior and because person B didn't know why person A is behaving in such a rash manner or a inconsistent manner, I think person B has already released this connection now. So the only way to, I think, resurrect this connection would be to start from scratch, start anew. All right, so that's all I have for you, Leo. Hope this helped. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if it did resonate. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.